Today we're doing a 10-minute workout for your abs that you can do every day. Hi, I'm Jessica Valant. I'm a physical therapist and women's health expert, and I help people feel strong and safe in their bodies in all seasons of life. You can find many of my short workouts right here on YouTube. For my longer workouts and workout plans, as well as my app and my podcast called Meet Your Body, check out all of my links and resources below. So we're going to start laying down on our backs, and this abdominal workout is meant to be appropriate for all levels of movers. So there'll be some beginner and some advanced options. Also, you can use this every day if you choose, if you want to add a little more abdominal and core workout to your routine. So we're going to have our feet flat with knees bent, hip distance apart, and slide your hands behind your head. So we are getting into an abdominal workout and focus here. Have the thumbs at the base of your skull, elbows are wide, and I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale, tuck your chin, and then peel yourself off so you come up to what we call a chest lift in Pilates, and then inhale back down. And we're gonna continue like that. So you exhale up, your low back flattens, but keep your tailbone flat. So you don't want your tailbone to curl. And then another thing I want you to focus on is not holding an orange between your chin and your chest. All right, we don't wanna do that. It actually makes our neck really tense. So you're just gonna hold like a little marble. So think about tucking your chin, and when you roll up, you wanna be able to see your knees or your belly button. You just wanna look in that direction. Don't look up towards the ceiling. 2 more. Nice big exhale. Last one, roll up, stay here. You're gonna twist to your right, and then back to center. You're still in that little crunch. Twist to your left, and back to center. Twist and center, keeping the tailbone down. And you might be surprised if you're used to having to do like, oh, I have to do 100 crunches or all this ab work. You might be surprised you already feel your abs. As long as we do it slow and controlled and focused, you don't need a ton of ab work every day. You just need the work that's gonna be deep and focused. Along with lifting your weights and your dumbbells, that's some of the best core workout you can do. Nice job. Come back to center, lower back down. Nice job. So we're gonna move right along. Bring your hands down to your sides. Take an inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone, roll yourself up. Yes, a bridge is considered a part of your core. We're working your back, we're working your glutes and hamstrings. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll back down. We're just gonna do one more like that. We're using it kind of as a quick reset here. Nice, come back down, have your spine flat. Bring your right leg up to tabletop, which is this position right here. Lower it back down, then the left leg. Nice job, and lower it down. Now the right leg comes up, keep it there. And if this is too hard, just do the alternating I just showed you. Now bring the left leg up, bring them together. Now, keeping them floating, lower the right and lift, and left, and lift. And if this feels very doable and you're ready to go to the next level, straighten your legs and do it from here. Lower the right, lift it up, the left, and lift. And 4 more, whatever version you're doing. So you can always progress. There's always ways to progress. And also, if you have surgery or an injury, there's always ways to start again and build back up. Nice job. Stay in whatever version you're in. Roll up into a crunch, reaching your fingertips long, okay? Now do your version. Maybe alternating leg lifts, maybe some marching, knees bent, or right here with legs straight. And if the crunch is too much, lower back down flat. I never want you to feel discouraged with ab work. I want you to feel encouraged. I want you to keep trying for more. So that's why I'll always give you options. Last one. Nice job. Lower back down, hug your knees in. All right, we're gonna do one more thing in a crunch position here, and I'm gonna show you your options again. Option one is back to our start, hands behind your head, where you crunch up and back down, and then come up and add the twist. All right, that's option one. Option two, legs and tabletop right here, and do the same thing, up and down and add the twist. Option three, you're gonna follow along with me. So choose what's best for you. If you're following along with me, you're gonna roll up, pull the right leg in, reach the left leg out so it's hovering, then switch legs, switch, switch, switch. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here, hands behind your head. Twist to the right, switch legs, twist to your left. Nice. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center, lower back down, hug your knees in. Great job. You're gonna roll to your right side. So we're gonna have the right elbow underneath your right shoulder. Knees are bent with one on top of the other, and you have a straight line from the front of your face to your chest, your belly, your knees. All right, so your feet are behind you. You're gonna lift up to a side plank and back down. So while this might seem like fancy ab work, it's actually one of my favorite exercises as a physical therapist for my clients, because we're working so much stability through your obliques and your low back and your hips. Nice job. 3 more. 3, 2. I'm gonna add one thing, your choice. 1. Now either rest or come up. Stay here with me. Straighten the top leg and pulse it up, 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 up. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower back down. Nice. Take your time, pressing up and over for a side stretch. And we're gonna do the other side. Left elbow down. Knees are together with your feet behind you, so knees are bent. You want that straight line. That's really important, okay, to have the straight line in the front of your body. When you're ready, we're going for 8. Take that full exhale. I promise, it does not make it easier to go slower, so don't worry about that. We're getting good, controlled work here. It also makes your body feel safer actually when we do this, so you're more likely to do the workout again. Come up, your option, either go back down and rest or stay here, straighten the top leg, lift, lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower back down, bend your knees, come all the way up and over for a side stretch. And then we're gonna swing our legs around in front. 2 options. Actually, let's all start together. Bend your knees, have your hands behind your legs. You're gonna curl and roll back and then come back up. Okay, so this is option 1. You can be completely supported for your rollbacks. Option 2, let your arms float. Option 3, straighten your legs, sit up tall, roll back halfway, and then we're gonna roll and sit back up. All right, so we're all working on this important quality of rolling and scooping through the abdominal muscles. And then last option, you can come and follow along with me. Roll all the way down, reach the arms back, come all the way back up. Really traditional Pilates roll downs here. So working that control of the abs, while also moving through the back. One more. We're all gonna roll back halfway, no matter what version you're in. Nice job. Lift your arms and lower, or simply breathe. Lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale. We're all gonna come back up over your legs. Restack. Left arm comes down, right arm over. Right arm down. Left arm reaches over. And then back up. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, arms down. And great job. So that workout can be tacked on to others for some abdominal work. You can use it daily or simply throw it in throughout the week to get a little extra workout for your abs and your core. I'll see you on your mat soon. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss new releases. And here are a few recommendations for what to try next. See you soon.